Hi guys, this is Josh with Innerspace Systems Corporation, and today we're going to be updating your handset over Wi-Fi. Alright, so we're going to come over here to our handset, and we're going to go ahead and power it on. I'm going to go down bypass. We're going to go to config. We're going to go to our Wi-Fi, and we're going to go into AP mode. And AP mode is basically a direct connection from the handset to another device. There is no internet access or anything. It just sends out a Wi-Fi signal for the other device to find your handset. So let's go ahead and enter into AP mode. And make note of this URL right here. We're going to be entering that into our device of choice. In this case, I'm going to use a Samsung Galaxy Note 4. So let's go ahead and head over to the Note 4. Okay, we're going to find our handset. Going to connect. And now that we're connected, we're going to go into our web browser, which in my case is Chrome. And then we're going to type in our URL, 192.168.111.1. I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to take us to this screen. And if I zoom in here, you can see what's going on. You can view your dive logs, you can see your serial, but this is what we're after right here. You'll see SSID and security key. What you need to enter in here, in these boxes, is you need to enter in the Wi-Fi network that you are wanting to connect to. Okay, and enter in your security key. Capitals do matter. Hit submit. Okay, and now that will be saved onto the handset.
Alright, so here's our Windows machine, and we're going to come down here to the bottom right corner, and we're going to find our little Wi-Fi symbol, and we'll grab our handset right there. Shows up, handset serial, connect, and that's been connected. And we're going to go over here to our favorite web browser. In my case it's Firefox, you can use whatever. And up here in the address bar, you're going to type in 192.168.111.1. And there we are. So we're going to go ahead and enter our SSID, and we'll put in our password as well. Now you can see right here the different selections. You can generally leave it on auto and it should be okay, but if you have any issues, try each one, and it varies depending on your Wi-Fi. Okay, so we're on our Mac now. We're going to come up here to the top right corner, find our handset serial, and we're connected. And you can see it's connected. And we're going to go down to Safari. And we're going to type in our URL. All right, and there we are.
Let's go back over to the handset now. Okay, so we're back here to the handset, and we want to click off. And now you'll see that you are prompted with more options here. You have join and forget that were not there before. And what you want to do is you want to click join. And now it will go out and use the Wi-Fi password and URL that you put in to connect to the Innerspace servers. Okay, so now that you are connected, you'll see update, upload, and you want to do update. So you'll go through and click update, and it's found more updates. It's found a handset update, and you want to click yes, you want to update it. So you're going to click update, and it's asking if you want to update the pressure sensor, and you want to click yes. And then that will go through and update. And we'll be back in a minute. Okay. And what we see here is the update is completed, and now it's asking if we want to update the HUD. We're going to click yes, and it's going to start its update on the HUD. Okay, and we'll come back when that's done. Okay, so here's what it'll look like when it rolls up past its 100%. Try not to hit cancel here. So it'll hit 100%, and then it moves on to the next thing that needs to be updated, and it's our sensor. So we're going to click yes. We're going to let the sensors update. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. All right, and we're back. So updates have completed, and we're going to click done. And if you are going to be using the same wireless network to update and you don't want to change anything, you can go ahead and just leave everything as is. If you're using a wireless network that you won't be using again, you can go down to forget, and it will clear all of the credentials that you put into the handset, and then you have to go back into AP mode and re-enter everything in for your next network. So you can also follow along in your user manual from pages 31 to 35. All right, guys, well, that concludes this week's episode. Hope you learned something. We'll see you next time.